Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking us out. Hope you stick around. We want the makeup community to grow to be a really fun, positive, safe place to talk about all things makeup. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that is called Parkinson's syndrome, which is defined as genetic early onset Parkinson's. And that's part of the reason why I started the channel, is because makeup is for everybody. It is for every skin tone, every gender, every income level, every ability, and every disability. Another reason why I started the channel was to share things that I love with people, and so it is giveaway time again. This time, instead of sharing things, I'm sharing the experience. My sister is coming to visit from Europe, so we are going to be doing the Shopapalooza, and so I'm going to give away 5 $25 Ulta gift cards to the giveaway winners. All you have to do is go find that video. It's like 3 minutes long, and that'll tell you how to enter. So today we are going to review the new ABH palette Rivera. This is what the outer carton looks like. It is beautiful. It retails for $45 wherever Anastasia Beverly Hills is sold, and you get 14 shades. Now, I wasn't going to get this, to be honest. I saw the pictures and went, you know, it's a Brights palette. I've got Brights palettes. I don't need it. And then I saw it in person. So you got like a denim cotton cover here, and then you open it up. You get the little brush that typically come in the ABH shadows, and look at that. These are beautiful. So your bottom row are all mattes, and the top row are all shimmers with the exception of the white right here. So $45, and you know what? It's an ABH shadow palette, and I actually didn't get a lot of fallout the couple times that I've used this. I was shocked because like Sultry and Norvina, I mean, I had fallout everywhere, and this one I really didn't. So that was a plus for me. But they are the same quality. They are super soft. If you've ever used ABH shadows, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go through, swatch these so you can see what they look like. It really doesn't do it justice on the computer. Really go take a look at these. They are fantastic. So I'm going to start in the bottom row with all the mattes here, and then I'm going to do the top row with the shimmers. So the bottom row, we have Estate, Cabana, Coastline, Bahamas. Then you got Monty, Ken, and Palm. Let's take a look at these. So first we've got Estate. Then Cabana. This is really pretty mustard yellow. I know I wouldn't normally describe mustard yellow as really pretty, but it really is pretty. And then here's Coastline. Next, we're going to go into this bright pink called Bahamas. This is like neon pink. Then this is more of a wearable pink, Monte Carlo. I think I said Monty, it's Monte Carlo. That's more of a wearable pink, although you know what? Wear neon pink. If you like it, wear it. Then Can is a beautiful bright purple. And then Palm is a nice brown, neutral brown. There you go. So that's the bottom row. Real bright colors, very pigmented. I used brushes with all of them. I used a dry brush with the shimmers on the top, and they did great. I mean, they did beautifully packing them on. So let's go into the top row here. So the top row, we have Sails. Yacht is the second one. I never know how to pronounce this. Seychelles. Palmero. Then you got Seaside. Inheritance is that gold. And Mediterranean is this beautiful blue on the end. So let's go into sales. It is a matte white, and it is very white. It is not one of those, you know, barely shows up. It actually shows up, which is great for packing on the brighter colors with it. Let's go into yacht. I'm going to get a lot of use out of yacht. A bronze. This I have on my lid right now. It is the Seychelles. I don't know. Sorry. Don't know how to pronounce that right. Palermo is a beautiful pink. Look at that. So beautiful. Seaside is this gray silver. Just gorgeous. Reflective like a mirror. Inheritance is a bright gold. Real bright gold. And Mediterranean, I think, is one of my favorites in the entire palette. This gorgeous blue. There we go. Chanel was the first one to bring blues back this season. And then Tarte. And of course, why is his name not coming to me? Jeffree Star. How could I forget Jeffree Star's name? Oh my gosh. So a lot of people are going with the blues this season. Chanel started it, and then Jeffree Star and Tarte. So, well, anyway, here you go. Here are all the shades. 14 shades for $45. Look at all those bright colors. They are gorgeous. There is quite a bit of, you know, kick up in the pan. They're Anastasia Beverly Hills. They're very soft, but I didn't have as much fallout with them as I normally do with ABH palettes. I don't know if it was, you know, I applied everything the same that I normally would. I just didn't have a lot of fallout. So here it is. And if you guys go get it, tell me what you think of it. I think it is gorgeous. I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of it. I hope I get a lot of use out of it because they are great spring and summer colors. All right, well, that is it for today with this review. Guys, don't forget to put in for that giveaway. I'm going to draw the winners on April 14th. That way you guys have your gift cards during the time that Sarah and I are out shopping. She's part of the makeup community, and you usually see her comment in the section below. All right, guys, I'll talk to you down in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Bye.